Think about the difference our community can make in addressing healthcare disparities.
It's important here the training of a pediatrician be such that upon graduation, they have the skills and tools to be anti-racist.
Very, very interesting. The plenary on diversity and equity and inclusion was especially informative.
Why I attended this year was to learn, to network, and to be a part of this vibrant community that is ABMS, not just here in the US, but beyond.
You know, we're not trying to flip a light switch and change the whole world. We're trying to change in pockets and learn and grow.
I'm attending ABMS 2021 because I fall in love with learning from everyone here.
Physician burnout has not declined in the specialties most impacted by COVID-19. So in particular, ID, critical care, hospital internal medicine, those are areas where we continue to see really high levels of burnout.
My poster is on comprehensive care from womb to tomb.
How do we as an organization promote a culture of like-minded, a common vision of professionalism?
I've found sessions that have been really relevant and timely.
Yeah, I was taking notes the entire time.
I always look forward to these conferences, this one in 2021 and in future years.
And that's one of the great things about the ABMS, that there's something for everyone.